What's going on YouTube? Focus Tanz here, and today I need to do an update video on a video I did a long time ago, and I'll post it up here. There's something that I missed that, I don't know, no one actually picked up, but I was looking at the, I guess all the parts that came with this driver side motor mount, I guess it'll be a transmission mount. And I had this piece. So I was wondering, where the heck did this piece go? If you try to fit it anywhere on here, it doesn't seem to fit. But, aha, it fits into slot right there. So make sure you have this piece and you install it, and it has like a little slot here on it that this piece fits down into. I did not know that. And I've been doing this a long time, and I always learn something new. So let's get the rest of the transmission stuff added. Stay tuned. We got the motor mount here, or transmission mount here. You want to have the VF side up. So this is going to go on, and yes, you need to put the bracket on first, but I'm not ready to do that yet. So this is just a demonstration. This will now go on top here, just like so. And then you'll take your VF, or this hexagonal screw, and this will go down on top, and it'll just screw on just like so. Then you'll take your 4 bolts, and then you'll screw them on into place. But just remember, you have to put on, there is a battery bracket you have to put on before you put this motor mount on, because it's going to fit right on top of that bracket. But I'm not ready to do that step yet. Like I said, this is more so to fix an error that I had earlier on, and to kind of show you all what and where this stuff needs to go, because it's not out on the internet. But I hope that helps. Hope that kind of clears up things if you were ever wondering what that extra thing was for. That's what it's for. Anyway, Focus Tanz signing off. Peace.